Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a surfing flyer using Canva. Alright, so we're going to go to elements and we're going to select a frame. So I already selected everything I want, so I'm going to use the letter I. So I'm going to duplicate this 4 times. Alright, so I'm going to adjust the size. Now I'm going to add my letters, so I'm going to add S, U, R, F. Okay, so once everything is the same size, I'm going to select all of them. I'm going to adjust the size a bit more. Now I'm going to add the letters on their frame. Okay, so now I'm going to add my image. I'm going to send the image to the back. Now I'm going to duplicate and add the image into all of the frames. Once I'm finished with that step, I'm going to double click on all of the frames and adjust the size of the image. Alright, so once I double click my image, I'm going to adjust the size. Double click, adjust the size. So we're gonna do this to everything. This one is a bit too far, so So I'm going to adjust the size and then double click. Let me adjust this one a bit. Okay, so now we're going to select the background image and we're going to go to edit image. We're going to select background remover. Okay, so now we're just going to add some elements to give it a nice touch. So I'm going to add this image that I use. I'm going to extend it. And then I'm going to set this as the background. Alright, so now I'm just going to add some more elements. To give it a nice touch. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.